Module 1, Lesson 2, the Physical Products Business Model. The business model you are going to be learning about and implementing is one of several that can be used on Amazon. However, this is the most profitable and most scalable, which is a very important factor for any business. Essentially, you will be selling your own products on Amazon. But once you've got your products established on Amazon, you can expand to other platforms. The business model you are going to be using is called private labeling, or sometimes is also called white labeling. As I've said, it's the most profitable, scalable, and sustainable way to sell physical products on Amazon or anywhere else. It literally leaves other methods, including drop shipping and wholesaling, trailing in its wake. So why do we private label? Because the product is your own, it enables you to build a real business. It's not like an affiliate business where you're selling other people's products and are dependent on them. The business is sustainable and long-term, and it is not going to disappear like some internet marketing loophole. So, as we've said, it is incredibly scalable because you can add as many products as you like and sell outside of Amazon too once you're established. And lastly, it can be delegated. In other words, you can have large parts of the business done for you by staff or even outsourcers once you've learned the business for yourself. So what is it? Private labeling is simply a way of creating your own physical product. Because the product is actually yours, you have far more control over the whole process of starting your business. It involves finding a profitable product that's selling well already and then finding a manufacturer or supplier to create your own version of the product for you. Let's take a look at the entire process. So the first step is to find a profitable product for you to sell, and is essentially what this course is all about. You will learn how to identify a product that is already selling well. You do this by researching products on Amazon and identifying the ones that are selling enough volume to make them viable. This is critical as it takes all the guesswork out of the selection so that you know when your product goes live, you will make sales. Next, once you've selected your profitable product, you need to find a manufacturer to create your product for you. You then brand the product to make it your own. And lastly, you sell your product on Amazon under your brand or company name. Now, another big advantage to private labeling is that as you build your business, you are going to naturally build valuable assets. For any business, acquiring assets for that business is critically important, and there are two which are most important of all to us. This will not only enable you to build your company faster, but also increase its value, should you choose to sell the business later. The first asset you're going to gain is your customer list. Having a list of buyers is an incredible value. You can use it to increase sales of your existing product or products and to launch future products too. Most companies are willing to pay huge sums of money to build or use buyer lists, and you get to build your own naturally. The second important asset is your brand. Once your products start to sell well on Amazon, then your brand recognition is going to grow automatically. Amazon has a huge brand trust. They're one of the most trusted companies in America, and your brand will borrow some of this trust and recognition naturally. Growing your brand will enable you to sell future products much easier, but also builds the value of your business exponentially. So that is the overview of the private labeling business model. In the next lesson, you're going to be learning all about the brand mindset and why it is so important to your product selection. That's it for this lesson. Take care.